Pretty active trading environment today ahead of the jobs report tomorrow. It's typically the first Friday of the month, but this month it is the second Friday. And we see Cobra 3 had two trades in a row that were winners this week. Small winners, and today it's got stopped out. SR Counter Trend Gold is on a amazing hot streak. It's done really well. Let's look at the performance report on that. 7 out of 7 of the last trades. I don't have all the history loaded because I have a lot of workspaces. So you can see the equity curve continues to make equity peaks in SR Counter Trend Gold. Cobra Euro has had about 4 losers in a row, but it hasn't signaled a trade in a long time. I think it's only the second trade this year. So picking up to get these trade signals ahead of the jobs report. Soybeans day trade 3 and gap continue to be or flat today. Crude oil after hours, we fired off a trade, big volatility and range in crude oil, and tick pulse short came down to the 2351 area and is reversed. It uses 2350 as support. That's just a fictitious support level. It was just technical based on that number, but they rallied it back, and price is true. So we were within a couple of 3 points of our profit target, and it reversed on us. Now we're back around break even. And what do we do to prevent that? What do we do to capture that move, to offset that move? And that's where exhaust and reverse comes in. This offset the trade. If you were short tick pulse, I say trading these two together, this has a tendency to catch those reversals. And so you can sum up the results of these two strategies. And one is short and one is long right now, and it's net profitable between them. They will exit at different times. Tick pulse will exit here in about 6 minutes, while exhaust and reverse continues to remain long. And it has a 10-point profit target, which should be at 23.64.25, so right up here. A couple of points away from that. So I'd like to see more follow through on these trades. We're coming within a few points of the profit target on each end, and then it's pausing out. So we'll see what happens. But in reality, if this goes down between now and the 4 o'clock close in 5 minutes, that's good, because tick pulse will fire a long signal, and that will make us net long this strategy. And then if it goes up or down, it'll improve our profits. Our profit will be better if this goes down between now and the next few minutes when tick pulse takes its exit. So because this one exits at a different time. This exits at the last minute of the session, or 4:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And so that is the trade. SR Counter Trend Crude Oil, short for very small profit, about $200 almost. We exited because it was near the previous day's lows within a tolerance. And so I'm taking a look at this strategy in these situations to see if we can get a little more out of that trade, because that's so much more potential there. And what else? One of the strategies I want to show you is VIX Swing. This is a strategy that comes with the money management algorithms, and it does an amazing job in this low volatility environment, just buying these dips. It's a swing trade strategy. You have to hold trades overnight, and this version does not have a stop loss, but you can manage that with the money management algorithms. That's why it comes with the money management algorithms. But here is the equity curve, and you see the worst case close trade to close trade drawdown, and in the last since 1997 is about $2,000. And so, but you can endure $15,000 drawdowns, and so that's quite a bit. And you don't want to do that, so you can use the money management algorithms to improve that. But I want to show you that in this low VIX environment, it's just chipping away at the market. So you see these trades even on the way down. It's buying the dip, buying the dip, buying the dip, and it bought the dip today, sold the rally, and is long again here. And so we'll see what happens to this trade. And again, tomorrow at 7:30 a.m. Eastern is the jobs report. Gold Flash is our new strategy that we released today, and it has the potential to take trades like this where the market dips and gets out on the rally. New pattern. We're not used to seeing so many markets do this, but we see a lot of markets just slam and then reverse, and slam and then reverse. And so Gold Flash is designed to take advantage of those, and it works the last few years. but it doesn't work before that. And so it's one of those emerging trends that's new, and you should take a look and see if this is a strategy for you, if you want to take that risk of something that's worked for the last few years, or if you need something that's been working forever. Chances are, if you have something that's working forever, it's not trading much right now, or it's kind of going sideways. That's why we want to incorporate some of these strategies with the short-term trends to see if we can get an advantage and ride these as long as these patterns are profitable. So that's the update for today. Look forward to the jobs report tomorrow morning at 7:30 a.m. Central, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. I don't know how well this strategy will do. It's a trading system, and so it's not a prediction that tomorrow is going to be a guaranteed winner. It is a strategy to trade that, and so you have to take a series of trades to see if it will be profitable or not. Any given day or any given trade could be a loser. So that is the update for today.